See, that is the one next to it is a bird. That's the pigeon. Still
You caught a
breathing.
pigeon.
Caught a pigeon.
But how come he's not taking it off?
Yeah, it's still breathing. I can see the movement of the
Doesn't
bird.
matter. The should have already flew it back to his nest. That is a hawk.
We have a hawk on top of the roof.
With no fear.
Our window. Yeah. You think he will attack us? Like, I can see that the pigeon is still breathing, just panting. Now what do we do? That thing is scary. From all the windows in the neighborhood, I decided to land here. Where am I now?
You want to give him bird seed. Got something better. You got bird.
But not seed. So that's what I was hearing earlier. I hear this like a what do you call this?
Thump?
No, it's like a scratching sound, and I thought it's the possum. And I saw something dark over here. I go, oh, it's just a bird. I thought it was the pigeons.
Can't see him. Which way is he looking?
On the back of his neck, like twisted. The head is twisted.
No, where's the eyes looking? At us or at it?
No, it's buried on the back of its head. It twisted the. You see,
You're not getting it. Don't go put your hand out. Which way is his head face is what I'm asking. His beak.
this way. On the back.
At us?
No, that
He's
way.
looking down. Okay.
That way.
That
To the
moves
bird.
reflector.
To the bird.
Move your hand.
What you're seeing is the neck.
Can you see the other bird is moving?
Yes, I can see it. I can even see it in the camera.
Let me see.
You see it right here? It's moving. See that? See?
Oh, move your hand.
I'm just
Move your hand.
okay.
I can't see nothing.
Right there.
Right there, what?
Can't you see that moving? Focus.
No, it's very faint.
I can't even see the head of the bird. All I see is the stomach and then the tail. It's moving now.
It's a hawk. I'll never get that close to a hawk. It's knocked off my camera.
Whoops. It's not even afraid when we have the light from the video. I mean the camera. What do you think it will do if I try to snatch the poor bird? The prey?
Snap at you.
Oh.
It's a wild bird and you want to come take food out of its mouth.
Jeez.
He'll be gone in a while.
You think so?
I know, so what's keeping him?
I thought it was hurt.
Yeah, he just wants to eat.
And then how come it's not eating it?
We're not invited guests.
Or just the camera people. It's sleeping, I think. The head is buried on its back. This is what we're doing in the middle of the night. Videotaping a bird.
unusual.
Wow. You see, that's the neck right there. You see, but it's a big bird. I mean, for some reason when you said a hawk, I'm thinking of a crow. I think what I heard earlier is that the prey trying to fight with it. That's why, because there's a lot of scratching sound. and then like
Lost.
about 2 or 3 minutes later, it just stopped. It was just a bird trying to move around on the roof. I wonder what the hawk did to the bird. It's just like paralyzed the prey.
Oh, it's just about dead. I think paralyzed is dying. It's got
Jeez.
sustained wounds that we're not seeing.
Yeah.
Probably already partially eaten.
But he's still breathing. I can only imagine how exciting it is, for people who are filming nature. It's like the adrenaline rush. It's constant. You got a better view. Your camera is better than mine. And then all of a sudden it will.
Look at his long tail.
Yeah, I told you the color. It looks different than the pigeons.
It's not a pigeon.
Earlier you told me maybe it's a pigeon.
So I saw the beak. He don't have a care in the world.
No, he's sleeping. Oh, it's moving. The prey is moving a little bit. I think the hawk is out.
Or it could be an owl.
Could it be?
I don't know, but it's either a hawk or an owl. He moves his head like an owl.
Oh yeah, that's true, huh? It does look like an owl earlier, but not the because the face, the eyes is big, and then the beak is not normal bird beak, more of the owl beak. Yeah, take a look at the picture I took earlier when he was looking at me. Oh well, you go finish videotaping. I'm gonna turn this off now.
Try leaping at us.
Amazing. I'm so bad with the bird. Well, it's just gonna be like that until it will eat the rest of it.
It's not eating.
No, but maybe in a
It had a
few
big
hours
meal.
it's gonna,
He's
start
just
eating it again. Yeah,
digesting.
I can see the wound.
You?
Right here. Right here on this side.
I don't see a head on it.
Like I said, the head is buried. I think buried underneath this. Right here. That thing. Because there are holes right here, going that way. That's where the part of the body is. All we have is the tail and then the wings. And I can see the wound right there. You see where that part that's moving? There's the wound in there. I see blood. Wow. But it's a beautiful color though. Very healthy.
That's what you got out of it.
Hey, if you're the crocodile hunter, you're gonna say the same thing. Oh, what a beautiful bird. Look at that. Feathers. Look at the feather. It's so shiny and healthy. You gotta admit, it is a healthy bird. the other one.
Not easy to get his attention, is it?
Hmm.
They have a long stick.
Do you want me to poke it? Do you have your you have the light? I'm gonna turn this off.